Why do you gotta film me?
What's that?
Can't you see I'm injured?
That's your wheelie? That was your wheelie? Phil's down! Phil is down! There's the lens go! Nice work, tough guy.
Hey, you can't do it!
What do you got to say to yourself now, or for yourself?
You can't do it!
Can't drive through the stream?
It's nice and cold though. It's time to re-break it.
I dare you to drink it.
Hope it's not chewing. Yes!